Grapeseed oil extracted from the seeds of grapes. It is a good source of vitamin E and fatty acids. It also has a strong antioxidant compounds which is 50 times stronger than vitamin C and E. It helps damage skin like acne, psoriasis, eczema, dermatitis, sunburn, stretch marks, burns, cat scars, and cellulite. If you've got a fresh aloe vera, prefer to use it because of course, fresh ones are always much better. But since I don't have plant available, I just use this aloe vera soothing gel from the Nature Republic. Aloe vera is very rich in vitamin C and E, keeping your skin young and happy. It contains antioxidants, enzymes, vitamin A and C, and it is highly anti-inflammatory. It can help treat burns, acne, and dry skin. Vitamin C also acts as an antioxidant. It fights free radicals that cause skin aging and darkening. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. Collagen is a vital part of the skin that gives it elasticity and makes it look young and firm.